Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you are new. And if you're one of my recent new subscribers, I am so happy that you decided to subscribe to my channel. I love to have you. Well, today guys, this video is about Jingle All the Way Beverage Cart, and it's an open collaboration. It's hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Design with Emma, Table Talk with Robin, Decorating with Jazzy Green, Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, and myself, Jean Home Decor and More. So I'm sharing with you today how I have styled my bar cart. And I didn't do a whole lot to it because tomorrow is my husband's birthday. So we kind of started celebrating today. But this is a little something that I put together. So I'm going to leave you guys to some music. You guys have a wonderful weekend. And if I don't see you again before Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving. Okay, have a blessed one. And until the next one, bye-bye.